for watching, guys. Today's episode is all about ISO, aperture and shutter via a Samsung S9 Plus and how to control those in your camera pro settings. So let's get started and let's check out these exciting features that are now available to you via any smartphone device. Okay, so let's go. So what you need to do is click on the Pro icon over here. So if you click on that, it will take you to the Pro settings, and here you've got some settings for your camera. You've got your ISO, your shutter, your manual focus, your white balance, and this one here is kind of like filters that you can apply onto your images. So if I was to change the ISO, all I would do is click on the ISO tab, and then what will come up is this little dial, and you've got like literally ISO. So if you click on it again, you're going to be quite sensitive. I can literally increase and decrease the ISO. Now because I'm shooting in an outdoor environment, you want your ISO to be a lower number because it's got, you know, there's a lot more light external, so you don't really want too much ISO because you might get a grainy picture. The next thing I want to change is my shutter speed. So again, I'm going to click on the shutter speed, and again, it's quite easy to use. You know, DSLR cameras are a little bit clumsier where you have to change the icons. Nowadays, some DSLRs have got touchscreen features, but you know, obviously with smartphones, it's much easier to use, to be honest. And again, all you do is just sort of click on your shutter and sort of increase and decrease it. So the faster the shutter speed, obviously, the more light that's going in. The slower the shutter speed, the less light that goes in. So if you're shooting indoors, for example, you might want to probably have a slower shutter speed. Outdoors, you want a quicker one, so there's more light going through. As you can see, my screen is becoming much more clearer. White balance. If I click on white balance, again, you've got your, you know, your K, you've got your tungsten fluorescent, you've got your light bulb, and as you can see, those change depending on the one that you put it on. You've got cloud. So if I go back to white balance, click on cloud, as you can see, it's a bit more orange. Sunlight, daylight, it's a little bit more orange. Okay, so those are your pro settings on a smartphone and how to use those smart features, professional aperture, sorry, a professional shutter speed and white balance via a smartphone. If you've got any questions, please do post. You know, I've made this one very quickly, but if you've got any questions, please do post. You know, the next videos I'm going to be looking at more features, techniques in DSLR, camera work, cinematic techniques and all that kind of stuff. So please do keep tuned to my channel. Keep watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.